Your Ring camera should protect your home day and night, so why does night vision sometimes just not work? Night vision is what lets your Ring camera see in the dark. It uses tiny lights, called infrared LEDs, to light up the scene for the camera, even though our eyes can't see it. But sometimes, things go wrong. First, check for dirt or smudges on your camera lens. Even a fingerprint can blur the whole image. Next, look for anything shiny or white near the camera, like walls or decorations. These can bounce the infrared light right back, making everything look foggy. Also, make sure there's nothing blocking the camera, like spider webs, leaves, or even holiday lights. These can trick the sensor and stop night vision from working right. If your camera is behind glass or a window, that's another problem. Infrared light reflects off glass, so your camera can't see outside at night. Try moving it somewhere with a clear, open view. And don't forget to check your settings in the Ring app. Make sure night vision mode is turned on. So, a quick clean, a better spot, and the right settings can bring your Ring camera's night vision back to life. Now, you'll know exactly what's happening, even after dark.